Hello friends, the title of the video is Employment Rate as a Policy Target. First, we discuss the labor participation rate. Labor participation rate tells us how many of the working age population are willing to be employed. If this proportion keeps falling, it does not bode well for India's growth story. It renders all stories of revival in the economy as a myth. From a growth perspective, it is important that a good proportion of working age population is willing to work, and then a good proportion of it actually gets employment. The proportion that gets employment is called employment rate. The employment rate tells us how many of the working age population are actually employed. For reference, according to the model ILO estimates globally, 57.2% of the working age population is employed. India's employment rate is around 47% and South Asia is 48%. Pakistan is at 50%, Sri Lanka at 51% and Bangladesh at 57%. India has a long way to go to catch up with global standard and also with its immediate neighbor. China is a way ahead at 65%. For long, the debate in India has been around its handsome but jobless growth. India's GDP growth rising handsomely till recent, but its employment did not. A mere increase in employment is not an adequate target. It needs to rise at least in proportion to the rise in population. The best way to deal with this is to make an acceptable employment rate as a policy target. The continued absence of employment as an important macroeconomic indicator in policy making, even after decades of decline in employment, is extraordinary. Employment has failed to find a place in policy making. In spite of continued political protest on lack of employment and demand for reservation. Reservation of jobs now invariably face roadblocks from the judiciary. Reservation is zero-sum game now. It is better that India adopts employment rate targeting. Inflation targeting is not enough to grow. To conclude, high employment rate will reduce the poverty of a country. Thank you for watching my video.